Welcome. Welcome.
Please.
Welcome. Welcome.
Remain seated.
Welcome. Welcome. Welcome.
Stay calm.
G'day folks, how you going? I'm Benno. Tonight we're just going to cook some dinner. I'm going to cook a steak. I'll show you the way I do it. Alright, check this out. Yeah, so the first thing I'll do is I'll just get some salt. I'm just using the basic Coles, pink Himalayan salt, and just a little bit on each side. Just give that a rub. Rub the salt in. Turn them over. A little bit on the other sides. And let that sit. Right, so I've just made up a little marinade. Use extra virgin olive oil, some Mexican chili, some mixed herbs, touch of seasonal, and garlic granules. A little bit of oil in a bowl. Throw it all in, mix it up, dip the steaks in. I forgot to film it, of course. Well, I didn't forget to film it, I forgot to press the button. But anyway, that's what you end up with, and it's dipped in on both sides. It's going to be quite tasty. Got the pan nice and hot now. I'll drop the steaks in. I don't want them to cook too hot, because if I cook them too hot, the smoke alarm will go off. That smells superb. Alright, so I'll let that sizzle away for a little while. Wait until the juices rise to the surface, and then I'll turn them. So I'm actually going to have a healthy meal tonight. I'm going to eat vegetables. So here's some I prepared earlier. We get one of these magic little packs. Got a nice little food of veggies in there. Yum. Stick it in a bowl. Chuck it in the microwave. So I think my steaks are ready to turn. So here we go. Ooh, nicely charred on one side. Ooh. Pretty uneven heating on this cooker. Oh well, you get that. Turn it around that way. Now it's time to do my veggies. 2 minutes on high, and that'll be bloody lovely. So if you're a single bloke like me, yeah, you tend to just eat crap. Stuff out of surveys and roadhouses and stuff. Being on the road all the time, you know, I'm tempted to just eat Kransky day in, day out. I thought tonight I'll have a decent food, and I'll actually show you that I am, because I've put on a heap of weight since I've been up here in Queensland, so it's time to start dropping a bit of that. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. The juices are rising. That's time to get it out and rest. Yummo. Okay, so the steaks have rested. Where are we? There we go. I like the juice. My veggies, piping hot. Ooh, definitely piping hot. There we go, folks. Scotch fillet and veggies. Now I can sit down and enjoy my meal. Well, that was absolutely delicious. I'm full as a goog. Satisfied, ready for the next day. But if you're a bit like me, I hate doing dishes. So one of the good things about this is you don't end up with too many dishes. They've got one bowl, one plate, one pan, utensils. And that's it. If you like cooking with Benno, give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment, and smack that subscribe button. Catch you next time. Bye.